Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to leave fantasy league. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do in order to leave the league is just simply tap on this three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and once you do that, here what you need to do is just simply select the league that you want to leave, and once you select it, here you will be sent to the draft board page. Now in order to leave it, what you need to do is simply tap on this league option right here, and once you tap on league, here you will be sent to the league settings and standings. Right beside league settings, you will see this career icon right here. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you will be sent to the league settings page. Now all you gotta do here is scroll down until you find the option that says leave league. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen instruction to successfully leave the league, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.